Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you where is the car battery. To find car battery, take a look at the trunk of the car. Lift the trunk floor and the battery is located on the right side, right here. The battery extension for jump start is located under the hood. Let me show you. You can find it right here under this cover. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.